to my channel. I have been sick, so I am so sorry I did not get my video uploaded on Sunday as promised, but yeah, I had the flu and I am just getting a little bit better. I've had insomnia for a minute, but yeah guys, it's a process when you're getting older, trying to work through colds and flus. Yeah, so anyway, I'm feeling better today. I thought I'd go ahead and get this out. I'm just doing my short little video on the items that I picked up while I was at Burlington. In my last video where I took you shopping with me, these are just the items I picked up there. So if you want to see what I got on my little travels to Burlington, just keep on watching. And while you're watching, make sure you subscribe. That's my husband you hear practicing. He has a gig today, so just excuse the noise. Anyway, keep watching, subscribe, and make sure you click that bell so you will be notified every time. Okay, so let's get down to these little items that I picked up. So you know, Burlington is just like Ross and some of the other stores that I go to. I try to pick up some of the beauty products that I use on a daily basis. And one of those items that I use all the time that you should also try to pick up is these wipes. I use these at night when I'm taking off my makeup, and I also use these in my makeup room for mistakes and fallout. You know, some of the makeup we pick up is always not like our other brands, and we have a lot of fallout. These are good for cleaning up that fallout. These I got, you get 2 packs for $3.99. These are Nicole Miller's Hemp Rose makeup removal wipes. You get 30 wipes in each pack, so I got 60 wipes for $3.99. That is not bad. That's a good bargain. So I went ahead and picked these up. I actually picked up 2 packs. I've already used 1 pack because I ran out. So I got 2 packs of these. And then, as you know, I also picked this up. This was $3.99 as well. This is a BB Bronze Glow Trio. And I just thought this was cute, so why not pick it up? We all can use a little bit of glow. So I picked this up as well. And it was just cute. And yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to put it right here on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. This has got, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's got a lot to be a little $3.99 little palette. It's kind of chalky, but that's okay. You don't have to be glowing to the gods. It's cute. So I went ahead and picked that up while I was there. So, and then of course, who can go without nails? I have learned that I like these better. I can pluck them off and put them on. I'm just not good at keeping nails that I pay 50 bucks for. Yeah, I get tired of them quick. These are cute. They are, they have little designs on them. I don't know if you can see them from there. They are absolutely darling. They were on sale, well, $5. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with them. They're stiletto, natural Nicole nails. So yeah, I plan on rocking these outfit when I go out. Just pluck them on there. You can use regular glue, put them on it. They'll last for a good long time. So yeah, it's a busy month for me, so I'm going without nails right now. But yeah, these were cute, so I picked those up. And this is a micro needling roller wand. I have seen this, and some people say it's not good to use because these needles only last a certain amount of time, but they have oil and stuff that goes with this, and it's supposed to be good at firming your skin. So I just wanted to try it out, you know. So I went ahead and picked this up. It's made out of stainless steel. I know they only last for a certain amount of time. So I went ahead and picked this up. This was $6.99, and I've seen this online, not this particular one, but something like it. Of course, I think that one had the oil and stuff to go to it, so I would have to buy some oil firming gel to go. This is just the little needle set, and it has the little case to go with it. Darn it, can't get the thing out of here. Shit, this is hard as heck. So, oh wow, that feels funky. So if you press this down, you can feel it. It's pricked. It's got needles on it for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I know you're supposed to have oil and all that stuff to go with this little thing. So I'll read the instructions, and I'm gonna use this for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know how this comes across and all that good stuff. It might not do anything because you know the mind will play some funny tricks on you, make you think something's going on and it's not. But anyway, we're going to try that out. And now, so these are some quick items that I picked up from Burlington. Well, first of all, let me go with this. I did not get this from Burlington. I got this from H&M. I thought it was super cute. I got this for $14.99. It was just so soft. It's not a turtleneck because I hate turtlenecks, but I thought it was cute. I thought it would look good with my black pants. So I went ahead and got it. You know, I am definitely a sweater girl. It doesn't get super cold here in Arizona, so turtlenecks and big bulky sweaters are never great here because we very seldom get to wear them, but nice light sweaters are. When I go away for the winter, I can always layer up, but for now I just wear little sweaters like this. It starts getting cold around January, and it lasts for like 30 days, and that's it. We're back to 70-degree weather. But this was cute for $14.99, not bad. So I got that from H&M, and from Burlington again. I am a sweater girl. It must be the older woman coming out in me. This was a really cute sweater, just black. I love the detail on the front. The back is just plain, but the front is really, really cute. It's got some beautiful detail. The buttons are absolutely gorgeous. I got this in a size small, so it would be a bit fitted on me. And this was $10.99, and it has a little kind of tailoring at the bottom, so it'll be a little bit more fitted at the waist, but I plan to kind of tuck it under so that it will give me a more puffed fitted form at the bottom. But I thought this was really cute, and it would go with jeans or a nice little pair of slacks, so I picked this up. And I saw these little pants, and I thought they were cute. They are not leather, but they are something like a little what do they call this? I'm not even sure what. It's a denim. That's what they say it is, but I thought it was a really cute denim. It's in a burgundy. I got this in a size 8, which I'm hoping I can get the booty in. And it was just a nice type of denim pants that resembles leather, but it's not leather and it's not put leather, but it was just cute. I thought it would look good with this little black top that I have. So I went ahead and got this. It's an ankle skinny pair of pants. This was $16.99. This is some new pants that are going to be out this fall.